If you're a business owner, social media manager, or just someone trying to simplify how you manage Facebook and Instagram, Meta Business Suite might be the game changer you've been looking for. Formerly known as Facebook Business Suite, this is Meta's centralized hub where you can run almost everything: content planning, messaging, analytics, and ads, all in one place. First off, the heart of Business Suite is its content scheduling tool. You can plan, draft, and schedule posts for both Facebook and Instagram, including stories and reels, using a visual calendar. This feature helps you maintain a consistent posting rhythm, and you can even preview how your posts will look before they go live. It's really useful for brands that want to be deliberate about when and what they publish. Next up, Unified Inbox. Business Suite brings together messages and comments from Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger into one streamlined inbox. That means you no longer have to switch between apps to respond to customers. You can assign conversations to team members, set automated replies like greetings or FAQs, and use labels to keep everything organized, which is a huge boost for customer service efficiency. On the marketing side, Business Suite supports ad creation and management. You can boost posts or run simple ad campaigns directly from the dashboard. While it doesn't replace the full power of Ads Manager for highly complex campaigns, it's more than enough for many small to medium businesses. For in-depth targeting and advanced ad strategies, you can always dip into the full Ads Manager when needed. One of its most powerful features is analytics and insights. Through Business Suite, you get cross-platform metrics: reach, engagement, audience growth, and ad performance, all side by side. This gives you a clearer picture of what's working on Facebook versus Instagram, and lets you make smarter content or ad decisions without juggling different tools. If you run your social media team or work with external collaborators, Business Suite supports role-based permissions. You can assign roles like admin, editor, moderator, advertiser, or analyst, so everyone has access just to what they need. This helps with collaboration, security, and accountability. Another big plus: you can track actions on your website, too. If you have a Meta Pixel set up, Business Suite lets you manage it and track conversion events. This means you can optimize your campaigns for meaningful actions like sign-ups or purchases, not just likes or clicks. And yes, there's a mobile app. So even when you're on the go, you can draft or schedule posts, respond to messages, check your insights, and monitor ads. Perfect for business owners who don't always sit at a desktop. But it's not perfect. Some users say Business Suite lacks the depth of Business Manager for very advanced ad setups or enterprise-level account management. There are also usability complaints. A few people struggle with navigating between profiles, or encounter bugs when trying to comment publicly versus via private message. Others report difficulty adding users or managing account settings. Security-wise, some fake business portfolios have appeared in users' accounts, so it's important to use two-factor authentication, monitor your account for unusual activity, and be careful when setting up roles. So, who is Meta Business Suite best for? If you're a small or growing business, a social media manager, or someone who wants a simpler, more unified way to handle both organic content and ads on Facebook and Instagram, Business Suite is definitely worth it. But if your organization needs very granular ad control, advanced team permissions, or enterprise-level campaign infrastructure, you might still need to combine it with Meta Business Manager. Thanks for watching. If this breakdown helped you understand the new Meta Business Suite, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more social media tool tips, business hacks, and digital marketing deep dives. Drop a comment if you're using Business Suite now. What's your favorite feature, or what's driving you crazy? Let me know, and I'll cover that next.